Dear children, it is activity page 15 for day 13. Activity page 15 for day 13. It is about the simplification of fractions. Simplifying fractions. To simplify the fraction, knowledge of common factor is required. You must know the common factor and also about the highest common factor. Children, observe the model example and simplify the fractions. You take one example here. It is a fraction 18 by 24. Here you observe the numerator and denominator. Numerator is 18 and denominator is 24. And you know that both this 18 and 24 are in the table 2, 3 and 6. And take the highest common factor 6 and divide it. You can divide it by 2 and also you can divide it by 3 also. If you take this 18 by 24, you can take 2 12s, 2 9s, then 3 4s, 3 3s. Or again you can divide by 18 by 24. If you take it 3 8s, 3 6s, again 2 3s, 2 4s. Or you can divide by 18 by 24, 6 3s, 6 4s. It completes in one step. Even though it is divisible by 2, divisible by 3 and also it is divisible by 6, it is better to divide it by 6. 6 3s, 6 4s, you got the fraction 3 by 4. And also you can divide by first, you can divide it by 2, after that you can divide it by 3. Or if you know the table correctly, bigger table, then you can divide correctly by 6. So you will get 3 by 4. So you take one more example, 24 by 16. Observe the numerator and denominator in which table. That is the greatest table, 24 and 16 are there. You know that in the table 8, 8 3s, 8 2s. So here 8 3s, 8 2s, you can write it as 3 by 2. So children, learn the table perfectly. If you learn the table perfectly, you can solve many problems easily. So you can do the calculation and division easily. So children, first you learn the table and also you learn about the highest common factor. So next one is 48 by 12, 20 by 5, 12 by 4, 36 by 12. Here simplify 48 by 12, simplify 20 by 12, simplify 12 by 4 and simplify 36 by 12. Now let us continue this activity, that is the multiplication of fraction. That is the first step, simplify the fraction and then multiply. Here simplify the fraction and multiply. You know the method of multiplying the fraction by fraction. Directly you are multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. But if you simplify it by cancelling the numerator and denominator, then you can do the multiplication easily. Here you take 2 by 7 into 11 by 6. 2 by 7 into 11 by 6. Here you can cancel 2 1s, 2 3s. Here is given. See children, 2 1s, 2 3s. Now you multiply. Now the numerator is here 1. 1 into 11. This fraction becomes 1 by 7 and this fraction becomes 11 by 3. 11 by 6 is converted into 3, that is by the cancellation. So you got two fractions, 1 by 7 and 11 by 3, which are the simplified fractions. You know that you can cancel this by this and also this by this if they are having the common factor only. So numerator and denominator, that you have to verify. Numerator and denominator of the same fraction or the numerator and denominator of the other fraction also you can take here. Here you know that 2 1s, 2 3s, then you got 1 by 7 into 11 by 3, then you multiply the numerator with numerator, 1 into 11 you got 11, and 7 into 3, 7 3 is a 21 you got. Similarly, you take one more, 2 by 7 into 21 by 8. 2 by 7 into 21 by 8. Here you observe 2 is there, 2 ones you can do, 2 fours. Then 7 and 21, 7 ones, 7 threes. Then here you got 1 into 3 in the numerator and 1 into 4 in the denominator. So 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 4 is 4. Similarly, you take this one. Here you observe, children, here after writing this 5 by 4 into 16 by 15. Now here you can take these two. You know that they are in the same table. In which table they are? They are in 5. 5 ones are 5 threes. And here 4 ones are 4 fours. Now 1 into 4 by 1 into 3. You can get here. So in this way you can simplify the fraction, that is by having the highest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Then you take the next one, 24 by 4 into 3 by 12. Here also you can verify here. Here 3 and 12 you can cancel, 4 and 24 also cancel, or this and this you write here and you can cancel that also. 12 ones are 12 twos are directly you can cancel. Then next one, 18 by 6 into 3 by 12. Here also observe, you know that if you take here 6 ones are 6 threes are 3 ones are 3 fours. Also here otherwise you can take 3 ones are 3 fours are 6 ones are 6 threes are, that also you can take here. 3 by 4 you will get. Finally you will get the same answer. Here you have to take the HCF of the numerator and denominator. This by this also you can cancel, this by this also you can cancel. That you follow the highest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Next you take 25 by 8 into 32 by 5. 25 by 8 into 32 by 5. Here also you can take this and this. They are in the common table. This and this are in the common table. In which table they are, you think and cancel. Next, 1 by 9 into 81 by 5. Children, you write both the fraction here and try to cancel. In which common table they are, that you have to think and cancel. Next, 6 by 7 into 35 by 12. 6 by 7 into 35 by 12. Then 11 by 17 into 2 by 99. 11 by 17 into 2 by 99. Here also you observe in which common table numerator and denominators are there. The next one, 15 by 4 into 3 by 12. 15 by 4 into 3 by 12. Then 10 by 8 into 9 by 2. 10 by 8 into 9 by 2. Then 7 by 5 into 35 by 2. 7 by 5 into 35 by 2. Next, divide the fractions. It is the division of fractions. Children, you know the method of dividing the fractions. While dividing the fractions, we have to write the first fraction as it is, and next we have to take into and the reciprocal of the second fraction. Here you take example 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 8. 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 8. Here you write the first fraction as it is. Then you take the multiplication into and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Here the second fraction is 3 by 8. Its reciprocal is 8 by 3. Means interchange the numerator and denominator. In the place of numerator you write the denominator, and in the place of denominator you write the numerator. So that is the reciprocal of 3 by 8 is 8 by 3. Here see the difference in the division symbol. In the place of division symbol we have taken the multiplication, and we have taken the reciprocal of the second one. These two are same. Now try to cancel here. Here you can cancel 4 ones are 4 twos are. Then you write 5 into 2 in the numerator and 1 into 3 in the denominator. Then the product of 5 and 2 is 10 and 1 into 3 is 3. So you got the answer 10 by 3. That is the method of dividing the fraction. Again, you children take the second one, 7 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. 7 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. Here also same method that you have to follow. Write the first one 7 by 2 as it is. Then in the place of division symbol you write the multiplication. And then take the reciprocal of 3 by 4. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Interchange the numerator and denominator. Now here you can cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are. Then in the numerator 7 into 2. In the denominator 2 into 3. Next take then you take 3 by 2 divided by 2 by 10. 3 by 2 divided by 2 by 10. Here also write the first fraction as it is and write into then reciprocal of the second fraction 10 by 2. Now you try to cancel, simplify the fraction. Know that 2 ones are 2 fives are. You can do. Next take 4 by 11 divided by 3 by 77. Here also write the first fraction as it is and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Then here 9 by 10 divided by 45 by 7. Here also write the first fraction as it is here. Then write this reciprocal of the 45 by 7. That becomes 7 by 47. Next 8 by 13 divided by 32 by 7. Here also write the first fraction as it is into reciprocal of the second fraction. Then simplify. Next one 1 by 17 divided by 17 by 51. Here you take the first fraction as it is, then you write into and reciprocal of second fraction and simplify and then you multiply. Next one 6 by 10 divided by 5 by 4. 6 by 10 divided by 5 by 4. Write 6 by 10 as it is and into 4 by 5 you have to take. Then 8 by 15 divided by 5 by 35. Here also follow the same steps.